Nirmala kenim kana sun kontilian ka roisni ka nur online TV channel. En mi bukonin gwasa me ta dan en shalat ka kwi mal ka malat kare wicce ka Kenya ka kwi South Sudanese tin labon tin la ki part ni tin kon tin tike game ke kuma South Sudan. Tikro mi shakulat gwasa me a United People Alliance ke bonda ngwan tin kon te sha banyrare malka tin tike game ke kuma South Sudan. Laman chalar kan bonda to bonda ngwan shikala no gor ne o de kuma de loch ka male cha kon lan Kenya de ko lo jok ko chicken mal chicken de yar ko antuman peace initiative lat kre which ka Kenya comes kuma South Sudan kana bonda ngwan tin children matkel ki cha de din matkel kwal shol ka United People Alliance rajadan chikalat gwasme lat kana gwan go chikume cha lo jok nika medane cha kon lan wal lo chikan dian tamakal te kon e cha lat ki de na maten ka kujimo tini kuma ko da lunjok ka gwadar manatana diana ling kaler te kon le kon kalingan go an kuma kana UPA ke United People Alliances kan ka matte ka gwad me chiwa dak pinten la kume che kan bonte ti UPA che ga jogo no de konro jok ka Malaysia tan kron kin dangro wal badak Malaysia tan kam ring machar kene kirma yadit ena mo chaje buluch kan bondang wan UPA no en medan e shalat kron kin dangro wal badak ken medan telem benung telemal betok tin ko kuje machine gorno ban malume baje matten no mo michigan ko ni kala no en male dan chalat kron kin dangro wal badak chemal ko kuje mo shine nok ko changni dakre ma cha ten poinde kana men jere wech ka so Sudan balawrar ka jen kumal ka medan mi jen gor kumeje kume pinkir ma yadit ibane matten shine gor ko ba kwarko ba ga nyok mo ga yen re wiki juba atarambe jal ke tarambe jien ana mo shine gor ko shine tay dan e chamala dan me cha tange jen wo shine ne no show kel no mo shine gor tama man gone o ba manne re bunka bne mon gone ya bne lat chit ko de ne mo kalwang te de ne lat ka kare wich no mo cha chu lok kuma sa Sudan antama cha chu te ko shiga te ka ral michikana lat ko shi janna madan de kan mat ka je chetel ken ka rodeling gwas me ban yelinga gwa ka manana cha gor ramadan en te men la leria lat ka kui bonandang ngwan la United People Alliance gwas me chikan lat nene.
The Secretary General of the Opposition United People's Alliance, UPA, has called for compromise in the Tumaini initiative, accusing the government delegation of going back on agreements made earlier. Luol Dao, who is also UPA's spokesperson, said the parties had reached an agreement on 8 key protocols after long discussions and compromises for the sake of lasting peace in the country. He urged the new government team to pick up where the previous delegation left off. When you negotiate, there are always compromises. We worked with the previous government delegation, made good compromises, and agreed on 8 protocols, Dao said during an interview. The protocols were supposed to be signed on September 15, 2024, but the transitional government delayed elections and extended its term until December 2026. Dao said the government has now abandoned the Tumaini protocols, which were jointly agreed upon by UPA, the South Sudanese government, and other stakeholders. These protocols weren't just ours. They were agreements between all parties. Now, the government has left them behind, he said. Dao emphasized that peace requires compromise and urged the government to seriously work toward a lasting solution. The government delegation has not yet responded to the claims. However, Dr. Martin Lamuro, the rapporteur for the government delegation, previously stated that his team would review the initial protocols but did not plan to reopen discussions on them. In July 2024, the Kenya-led peace talks resulted in an agreement on 8 protocols, including a security agreement, ceasefire, addressing communal violence, controlling civilian arms, and resolving land disputes. Other protocols covered trust building, humanitarian access, and the role of guarantors in the peace process. The process faced challenges in June 2024 when SPLM-10 withdrew, arguing that the protocols conflicted with the 2018 peace accord. They also claimed that the Nairobi-led process undermined South Sudan's sovereignty by proposing 5 institutions to be headed by appointees from the regional body IGAD.